Hello. Uh, Hello everyone. Yeah, today I'm gonna share a little bit about running LLM with like Ollama locally. Even without internet, you will be able to get access to the Ollama, and then I will show how you can use the OpenWeb UI with the Ollama, and then we will be exploring the OpenWeb UI a bit, and then later I'm gonna show you the Ollama API. After that, we will be exploring everything in general. So why I'm showing this one, right? So some people might already know that you can run like large language model offline, but for those people who haven't or who didn't know, right, and who haven't give a try, I want to show a demonstration of like how easy it is to set up on your local machine, and you can explore quite a lot of things. So that's why I want to share this one. So firstly, you go to this website called ollama.com, and then you click download. They are available for like Mac, Linux, and Windows. For me, I already installed on the Mac works. I have tried on Linux and Windows. It's quite straightforward project, so I won't be showing the full projects. So let me quit this one first. So let's say I'm gonna run the Ollama. After I run the app, right, it will appear here. So normally after that, let me go to the model. After you run it, you will be able to call Ollama from your terminal. Ollama ran. Or is ever ran? So after that, right, let's say if you want to install the Ollama Llama 3, this is the large language model. Meta provided by Meta is the open source one. So to run that one, you just copy Ollama run Llama 3. If you are first time running this one, you will have to download Ollama have to download the model, so it will take a while. For me, it's already downloaded, so it will be showing something like this one. So yeah, let me show you. Basically, this is already running the large language model, which is like OpenAI in your machine. Without internet, you can able to run as well. Why sky is blue? So you will be able to see the response. Later, I will show you. I will disconnect my internet, and like I will be still able to access the LLM. Okay, I will cancel it first, and then like I will disconnect the internet. So offline already. Let me try. Who are you? By the way, I'm running on like M1 60 gig. So if your machine is like M2, it might probably be much faster. Yeah, so it's running offline. So let me enable the internet so that I can show other models. ChatGPT kind of UI, right? You can. Okay. In fact, you can. So I'm running this one on my local, which is called OpenWeb UI. I want to show you how to set up. So you go to this GitHub github.com/open-what UI/open-what UI. So for me, I am using the Docker method. This one. If Ollama is on your computer, use this command. So I just open my Docker and ran this command. So you just install the Docker and open and then run this one. For me, it's already running, so you will have an issue docker bx, and then you will be able to see that. So it is running on 3000. So localhost 3000, right? If you call localhost 3000, you will see this OpenWhat UI, which is integrated with the Ollama. So for the first time, if you access to this website, you need to sign in, and you will be the admin of this website. Okay, so now you will be able to see this Llama 3 latest, right? Because I already installed it. In fact, I already set this one as default. That's why it's appearing here, and I was testing like other model as well. So let me show you this UI flow a bit. So I go and click the setting. Now it's like a system setting for the themes. They got like dark mode, this kind of dark mode and light mode. So let's try the light mode first. So connection is connected to the Docker host. Host. This is the Ollama that running on my machine. So model, right? After I download the model from the Ollama, it will appear here. So let's go to the Llama 2, and then if I want to delete, right, I can delete from here as well. So Llama 2 latest deleted, so it will be here. So let's say if you want to add like a new model, you can add from the OpenWhat UI as well. Let's try this one. So I just copy the it's okay, I copy the whole thing. Here you need to put the model name only, so I'm gonna put the Gemma. So it will be pulling the model from here. So it will take a while, so I will close and show you the other step first. So now I am choosing the Llama 3. You can set this one as default. Or let's say I try this one, called Llama. I will set this default. If I open the new chat, right? If I refresh, my computer is having problem now. Easy pages. It's okay. So now after I refresh, right, this became like the default. So I will change back to Llama 3, and I will set this one as default. So the good thing about this is like you can create your own like custom prompt. Discover a prompt. I did 500 internet error. The heavy issue with having the prompt. So let's create our own custom prompt. For example, I will like code review. I will write a prompt here. You are senior dev. You have to review the code and give feedback. save and create. So you got this prompt, and when you go open the chat, right, if you click the like slash, it will appear here, and like you can like click, and then you are senior dev, and the prompt that you want will appear. After that, you can type whatever you want. For example, print hello world. Let's see what they are saying. What? So I want running quite a lot of things, so it take a little bit of time. Code quality. Yeah, I think it's not bad, as like this is something that you can run on offline. So Llama 3 is like the one from like Facebook. They got like other models which I find is like quite interesting. After that, let's say I can even like add a tag of this one. For example, code review. And then if I filter from here, it will appear here. If I want to show all, it will appear inside here. I can rename it, like delete, archive. So there are quite a lot of things. You can even upload your document here as well. So another thing that I find quite interesting is this one, modify. So you can import, export. Let's create our own. Let's text. This is a demo. Maybe I will try like demo. Content. Maybe I try raw format. So we have to define which model this our model gonna use. So LLMs Llama 3, which we already have. So if you still haven't have the model, it won't be working, which is something we tested out. I mean, like I tested out. I want to try their placeholder. So I will categorize as like a character. Who are you? So what does this one do is like it's like I find this one something like the ChatGPT like models. No, ChatGPT kind of like in ChatGPT, I think you can create your own custom kind of model. So I think this is something like that. I feel like that. Let me show you. So I already created. So new chat, right? And then I can choose my model. So demo, and then like the one that we just created, right? Who are you? This is the simple prompt. It will appear here. So let's try. Who are you? We set it like the Mario, so it should be replying us like Mario. So we characterized Mario for this model. So it is based on the Llama 3 and with our own kind of like custom prompt. Can teach me Docker. So it will teach me Docker like the Mario as a character. It's quite impressive, right? So there are quite a lot of things that I haven't explored yet. As far as I know, right, you can even create like your own like API key and stuff like that, and you can use. Let me show you. advanced parameter. There are quite a lot of things you can explore. Yeah, I think you can explore on yourself, so it would be something interesting. Let me check my agenda, what I want to talk. Oh, API. Yeah, I think API which this one itself also got the you also got the playground. So by right, the default prompt is you are helpful assistant, and then you start typing, something like that. So this is like the playground, which is currently at the beta stage. This is something like the OpenAI like playground. And then admin panel, you can add like more user, CSV and stuff like that as well. This is the admin setting. You can enable the new signer. Let's say if you want to host this as like your internet toolings, right? You just disable the signer, new signer. So you need to add for them. And then like let's say if someone register, in case if we are OpenAI, right, you can create a webhook and automatically push to, for example, for your Discord, for your Telegram as well. And you can download the database. Yeah, speaking of the API, I found the API key somewhere. No, I am not able to. Oh yeah, you can create API key and use as well. And you can click chat for the update as well. So this is the Open Web UI. I want to show you about like now I am using like Llama 3, right? Let me add new model. Let me download a new model. I want to show you like a vision model, which is also like available. Oh yeah, vision model. Why I like to run on offline and like try on my local, right? For me is quite a lot of like benefits running offline. Okay, let me install this model first. While we are installing, I can share like why I think is a good idea to try when you are looking using Ollama. So they got quite a lot of model that you can try out, like Llama 3, all those like new vision model and all those open source. Why I like this is like first is like very easy and straightforward. And then like let's say if you plan to write like plan to create a LLM based application, specifically to use like for example OpenAI, right? If you are trying out on your own, like on local, if you are calling to the OpenAI, you have to pay something of the fees. But with Ollama, they have the OpenAI like compatibility, so you won't cost anything as well. So that's one thing. And then like there are like quite a lot of models. Like for example, now I'm downloading the vision, so I can try out with the vision model as well, and I can try out like different kind of model. So also like it's the offline, right? So what I can think of the some of the use cases are like when you are code committing, right? We can create like a common webhook, and then get the changes of the multiple files, and then call an API of like Ollama using like LLM and ask them to review the code before you push to like production or like staging, or like before you even create BI itself. So there are quite a lot of use cases that I see quite interesting, and I think it will be beneficial for everyone. So while we are downloading this one, right, let's try this OpenAI compatibility one. So I will try this. Let me try with the Insomnia. Since I'm running Ollama on my machine, so I just need to use this one. If you are using Docker to run Ollama, you might need to configure your configuration might be something different. Header, we already set application stack JSON, and then the response the JSON will be something like this. For us, we don't have we haven't installed the Llama 2, we installed Llama 3. So I will save, set. UI. Let me try this. Ollama is ready, okay. Is it get or both? I think it's both, yeah. My machine is again like M1 with 60 gig, so it take a while to generate. You see, it's like exactly like the ChatGPT compatible. So you can use like OpenAI library, and then like you can book something like this. So this will be your localhost, and then API key require back and use. Let's try this one. So it take a while for me. It take around like 10 seconds. Yeah, they also have like it's compatible with both like Python and JavaScript. So if you want to, they even show like all these demos, so you can try it out. Yeah, that's what I like about like that's why I like one of the reason why I really like about the Ollama. So quite a lot of things that you can try on your local machine. It might be a bit slow, and then like it won't cost you anything. And also like using with like open web UI, right? You got like custom model and stuff like that that you can specify for your use case. For example, like programming focus, characterization focus. So let me check my agenda again. Yeah, so I'm gonna try out the vision model. Let's try mountain scenery. I will save this image. There's something here, so desktop, test. Okay. Okay, it's still downloading. About to finish. They got quite a lot of like models that I think you should try. Yeah. So they got like send like focus wizard math, focus on like math and logic problems. So you can try out those for your own use cases. For example, SQL coder, which is specifically like fine-tuned for SQL. I haven't tried all those, honestly. I have tried Llama 3. I tried Mistral. I've tried Gemma and Llama 2. Yeah. So let's go back. So it's verifying. So this one is a vision model. But one thing to note about model is sometimes the license. Apache version 2. So I think it's okay. So if you are using the Ollama API, right, you can use something like this. Generate -d model is this one, brown is where's in this picture, and then like this can be like V64. I'm gonna try it from the open web UI. Also if you are like a terminal guy like me, you can try Ollama Leaks. So these are the list of models that you install, and then you can Llama IM demo. You can delete using something like this one. Now if you look, there's no demo already because I already deleted. Let me clear again. Let's go check. Wow, stay verifying. Yeah, later maybe like in the future video, I'm gonna share like quantity one of the model with the VS Code and like try code complete. It's like is it like it would be something like GitHub Copilot. My internet might be slow. It take them long time. Yeah, you should also read their blog. They very quite up to date. Now you can even use Ollama with the Docker image, like official Docker image available now. So you can use everything with the Docker as well. Or you can integrate with the LLM with the OpenCDN node, which will be like I think if you are combining these two, it will be something like a Notion AI. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, this one I haven't explored it yet. Might be a good things to explore in the future. Okay, now 100% verifying SHA-256. It take a while, yeah. Okay, let me try the model. 7 billion. I will set this one as default for now. Upload file, desktop. I was testing like uploading my credit card PDF. This is offline, so it's not a problem. So I just upload that one and ask them to describe like how much I spending in last month and stuff like that. Okay. What is in this image? This is the vision model. So let's see. Again, like my computer spec is like M1 60 gig, so it take a while. I think I'm trying with M2 is much faster. Yeah, it's quite amazing. Everything that you can do. I think that's all for now. You should definitely explore. I would highly recommend if you have the good spec of computer, you might be probably able to run this as you are offline LLM. In fact, I think I even did like AI.search.com, which is running in my home machine. And yeah. Need email. Let me try. Yeah. So in fact, I'm using, I'm hosting Ollama, and then I'm installing Ollama on my local machine and hosting with the OpenAI UI. So I can access another model here. Yeah. That's all.